My name is Abhishek and today I am going to talk about a very important topic which is nothing but a COVID related situation. In brief, if I have to say in one word, will school and colleges be opened on November 16th? So let me explain about that in brief. So before telling you whether they open the schools or not, first of all let me come with the number of coronavirus cases in Tamil Nadu. So as of now, when I am taking this video, the number of coronavirus cases has been reported in Tamil Nadu is 2,112, which is a very great thing. Big congratulations to the doctors and other officers which have been working to save the people. The next thing which I am going to tell you is nothing but school and colleges of Tamil Nadu. So as you all know, the central minister has given the authority to the state government that they can open the schools and colleges at their own time. So what happened here is our government of Tamil Nadu has told us on the beginning of the November that they will be opening the schools and colleges on November 16th, which is on coming Monday. But what happened now? Then afterwards, what had happened is many parents had requested the government to not to open the schools and colleges. It is because nothing but they are scared of the coronavirus. So as I told you in the beginning, the coronavirus cases has been decreased dramatically. But the parents' fear is nothing but if they open the school and colleges, the coronavirus cases might increase. The perfect example which I like to say is UK. In UK, they control the coronavirus superbly. But what happened was after they opened the schools and colleges, again the coronavirus cases has been increased. And now what's happening in UK is they again went into a lockdown. So this is a pretty simple example what will happen if they open the school and colleges. Not only in UK but other European countries like Germany, France and other countries, the second wave has been started. So this is the reason why the parents have been afraid to send their kids to the school and colleges. So now what government has done is last week around Tuesday or Wednesday they have conducted a meeting with the health minister and also with the parents. Even though the official information has not come yet what they have discussed, but other sources say that the parents had requested the government to postpone the reopening of schools and colleges to January 2021. But as for the question which I asked earlier, that is whether the school or colleges will be open on November 16th. For that question, my answer is no. The government has declared that no schools and colleges will be opened on November 16th. Then this is what the government has given to us. And what they had said is the schools and colleges will be opened on the decision of opening the schools and colleges will be announced later. So this is a small information that I like to share with you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.